What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can continue a dispute request or a refund request on the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now, I just yesterday requested a refund for a transaction on Revolut, and I recently got an email in which it stated that I would just need to continue the dispute in the app so the refund can be granted. So this is how you do it. Now you would just need to first open up your Revolut app and head over in the upper left corner on your profile icon. Once you're here, just go ahead and select the first option, which says Help. Now here you will be able to see your dispute request progress. So all you would need to do is just tap on this dispute request, the current one. And once this little menu opens up, all you would need to do is just tap on I want to proceed. And there we go. Now the dispute has been submitted. So essentially, that's guys how you can continue a dispute or a refund request on the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, you can watch this video about how to contact Revolut support, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.